Hi, this is Mark from Productive Computing, and in this video I wanted to explain a course offered from Productive Computing University. The course is called FileMaker Developer Environment using AWS. AWS is also known as Amazon Web Services, and this course was specifically created for the professional FileMaker developer who's looking to expand their skills, expand their opportunities, expand their development environment. This is particularly good for developers who are focused mostly on the Macintosh platform and have been for a while, but occasionally need to use Windows in order to do testing or just to expand their horizons into all the other aspects of FileMaker development. FileMaker is a cross-platform application development platform. So what that means is you're going to need to work with both Windows, Mac, iOS, web, all of that. So at times it might be very handy to have something like AWS in your hip pocket. So what does this mean exactly? Well, with AWS, you can actually set up a virtual machine, a machine that you can connect to literally from any device, anywhere in the world, from any platform. These machines can be connected to from a Mac, from a Windows, from your iOS even. And once you get into that AWS virtual machine, you can control it as if it was your own desktop. Now the platform is Windows, but that can be a huge advantage, especially if you're a Macintosh-centric FileMaker developer. So if you've ever wondered or wanted to know more about AWS, this is a perfect beginning course for that. We teach you how to install AWS for the first time. In other words, we have you set up your account. Then you create your first EC2 instance, which is like your virtual machine. We talk about everything from security to how to configure it, to how to connect to it. Then we even talk a little bit about AWS billing and how that works. So there's a lot to be gained from this. And if you've ever just looked from a distance and know that you want to know more about AWS, but just didn't have the time to take the plunge, or just didn't have an easy way to do it, I believe this course is made for you specifically. So I hope you join me on this course. I'll be instructing it. And if you want to learn more and you want to sign up right away, all you need to do is go to productivecomputinguniversity.com. There you'll see the course. You can sign up and dig right in. The course is fairly short in length, so it won't take you long to accomplish a great deal. This 1 or 2 hours that it takes for the course to complete will save you literally hours of hunting and pecking and reading and going all over the internet and every YouTube video you can imagine, only to end up in the same place that you still have to scratch your head and ask yourself, how did I get here and how do I go forward? So thanks for joining me on this video, and I hope you enjoy the course. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more content like this, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, liking our Facebook page, or following us on Twitter and LinkedIn. We also have a monthly newsletter describing the latest happenings here from Productive Computing, as well as other industry-related news. Thanks for watching.